This was the day Hubby traveled back home. If you look at our face, we have no joy at all. Hi guys. You say hi.
Hi.
Let's go and get daddy, okay?
Hi.
Is this a hi?
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you'll be like, where is Josephine? Guys, I've been around, just that I've been a little bit busy and Hubby traveled 1 month to Nigeria, but he's back today, so we are going to the airport to go and welcome him back. So stay tuned and see the way the kids were happy when they saw their dad. We just arrived at the airport now, so I'm trying to bring down the kids so you can go inside and go and wait for him. His flight has arrived. He traveled for almost 1 month after Easter. No, before Easter celebration. He celebrated his Easter in Nigeria. So we have been here alone, juggling the housework, school and everything by myself and the kids. It hasn't been easy, but we survived it. Their luggages have arrived. Hubby came back with six extra luggages, guys. Like, we paid.
Don't touch.
If I tell you how much we paid for extra luggage in Nigeria.
You guys had ice cream at home before coming out. Don't touch. Nine. No.
Zizi, Kadu.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama.
Is he wait for daddy?
Daddy, get a book. Stop. Hey, Mama.
Hmm?
You're playing?
Yeah.
Nice. Definitely.
Yeah, they are flea. I'm gonna chimp
A little picture of his luggages. Guys, tell me, how can one person go to Nigeria and come back with all these things? Just one person. Eh? And I also that's why you're like people. So guys, the next video you will see is me unboxing everything, showing you what is inside. You can't wait to see what is inside, guys. If I tell you what Hubby brought home from Nigeria, you will faint. So guys, stay tuned so that we unbox the luggages together. I would have added this part to the next video, but it will be so long. The video is almost 1 hour, so this is us at home. We just came back home and showing you the view of the luggages again. So the next video will be me unboxing everything with you. And guys, no visitor is allowed to come my house this period though. I don't want any visitor till like after 3 to 4 years. At least the food must have gone down. And if you see me at 10 kg from the weight that I've lost earlier, guys, you've known the reason. Hubby came back with a lot of goodies. So guys, stay blessed. Bye.